Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia in day 130 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are finishing up with our shakes by thirds with exercise 193.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So on exercise 193, we have what we just did on 192, but this time we're doing an arpeggiation up to the 10th, okay? And then back down. So if you want to just make those markers in your mind, you can just sing that pattern. So that you know what you're doing, okay? And here is exercise 193. So what I recommend is that you play around with the flexibility of the trill. And what I mean by this is you could do a setup like this. So you hear how I'm setting up the trill? You can do that in a variety of ways. You can also go right away, okay? And you could do so it's really your choice as to how you set that up. So let's just go through this exercise and see how that works out for us. Notice that note is not a trill, right? Now we trill that note. See? Not so bad. Pretty easy and kind of fun. And play around with how you want to experiment with that trill beginning.